Understanding Playing the Market, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're exploring a very intriguing phrase, playing the market. This expression is commonly used in financial contexts, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, ensuring you can confidently use it in your conversations and understanding. Playing the market refers to the act of buying and selling stocks, shares, or other financial instruments, with the aim of making a profit from short-term price movements. It's like a game, but instead of playing with balls or video games, individuals play with investments. The market here refers to financial markets, such as the stock market or the forex market. This phrase often implies a level of risk and strategy, much like playing a board game or gambling, where the player aims to come out ahead. To help you understand how playing the market is used, let's look at a few examples. John decided to start playing the market after reading several books on stock trading. Here, John is getting involved in buying and selling stocks to make a profit. Despite the risks, many find the idea of playing the market exciting. This sentence highlights the allure and the potential dangers involved in market speculation. In these examples, playing the market is used to describe an active engagement in financial trading, emphasizing the speculative and risky nature of such activities. Engaging in playing the market can be both lucrative and perilous. The rewards can be significant, with players potentially earning substantial profits if their investments pay off. However, the risks are equally high. The value of investments can fluctuate wildly, leading to potential losses. It's important to understand that playing the market requires knowledge, skill, and a bit of luck. For those interested in playing the market, here are a few tips. Educate yourself. Understand the basics of financial markets and investment strategies. Start small. Minimize your risk by starting with a small investment. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments to reduce risk. Be patient. Playing the market is often a long game. Don't expect immediate gains. Playing the market is a fascinating concept that blends finance with strategy and risk. Whether you're considering dipping your toes into the world of investment or just curious about the phrase, we hope this video has shed some light on what it means to play the market. Remember, while the potential rewards can be enticing, it's important to approach with caution and informed knowledge. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language.